So we've just moved this this big form again, you know, come up for the next lift, and you know sometimes what happens is you get shifting in different directions because of the size of the form, and so you'll get parts of the wall that sort of, you know, look a bit cracked or irregular, and that kind of thing will get repaired now. So as soon as possible after you've moved the forms, do the repair. And the way we do that quite easily is you look at the places that need repairing, you just open it up a little bit, depending on how fresh it is, depends on how much needs opening. And this is still very fresh, so I'm just opening a little bit, just basically scratching away at the irregular surface. Doesn't need a lot of repair work here. And then what I'll do is I'll just give it a little bit of a dampening with some water before I add some more hemp onto this wall. But basically removing all of the loose bits which have been created by lifting up this form in, you know, different ways. Here around these boxes, because of the round curve, the round wall, the boxes aren't exactly flush, and so we've got to accommodate for that. And then let me get onto this repair, and I will keep you in the light on it. So just showing you there.